Question number 1.
David waiting for the subway when it suddenly started raining. A was B were C B.
Question number 2.
Neither Emily nor her friends coming to the concert in New York. A is B are C was.
Question number 3.
If Matteo earlier, he wouldn't have missed the train to Rome. A leaves B, had left C left.
Question number 4.
Aya is really looking forward to her favorite singer live in Tokyo. A, C, B. Seeing C, saw.
Question number 5.
The manager insisted that the report submitted by tomorrow morning. A is B, B, C was.
Question number 6.
Rarely such dedication among young athletes. A, you see. B, do you see? C, you saw.
Question number 7.
Kenji said that the new English movie last night. A watched B had watched C has watched.
Question number 8.
A number of students waiting outside the classroom. A is B, are C was.
Question number 9.
Liam would have helped if he about the project earlier. A knows B knew C had known.
Question number 10.
Not until the plane landed how scared Chloe had been. A, did I realize? B, I realized. C, do I realize?
Question number 11.
Zola is very good organizing community events in Cape Town. A in B at C for a.
Question number 12.
The teacher suggested that every student ready for the debate. A is B was C B.
Question number 13.
By the time Javier arrived, the guests already left. A have B had C E has.
Question number 14.
Emily asked if I seen her notebook anywhere. A, have B, had C, has.
Question number 15.
Mateo apologized being late to the meeting. A, for B, about C, of.
Question number 16.
Little know that the surprise party was for her. A, did she. B, she did C, she was.
Question number 17.
The majority of the audience impressed by the performance. A was B, were C, B.
Question number 18.
If it tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. A, rains B, rained C, rain.
Question number 19.
Aya promised that she help me with the project next week. A, will be, would C, can.
Question number 20.
Chloe can't stand in long queues at the airport. A, waiting. B, to wait. C, wait.
Question number 21.
Never before seen such a breathtaking sunset in Sydney. A, I have B, have I C, had I.
Question number 22.
Kenji is capable solving complex coding problems. A, of B, to C, in 2300.
Question number 23.
If I wouldn't ignore that email from HR. A, was B, were C, am.
Question number 24.
Javier prefers coffee tea in the mornings. A, then B, to C, over, then.
Question number 25.
The movie was so boring that David almost fell asleep. A, fell B, fall C, falling.
Question number 26.
No sooner the class started than it began to rain. A, had B, have C, did.
Question number 27.
Sophia is interested learning digital marketing in London. A in B on C for
Question number 28.
a pair of shoes lying near the door. A are B is C were.
Question number 29.
Zola asked what time the train leaves. A leaves B, left C, had left.
Question number 30.
Emily was too tired continue working. A for B to C that
Question number 31.
hardly. We reached home when the lights went out. A have B had C has.
Question number 32.
Mateo was accused breaking the company's policy. A for B of C about
Question number 33.
Chloe hasn't seen her cousins since they moved to Auckland. A move B moved C had moved.
Question number 34.
Liam couldn't decide to accept the job offer. A whether B whether C either.
Question number 35.
Each of the players to submit their ID card. A have B has C are
Question number 36.
Aya suggested that we leave earlier to avoid traffic. A leave B left C leaves.
Question number 37.
The new smartphone model, along with its accessories, expensive. A are B is C were.
Question number 38.
Javier said he would travel to Rio next summer. A will travel, B would travel, EC travels.
Question number 39.
The meeting will be postponed if the manager late again. A is B was C were.
Question number 40.
Not only the documents ready, but she also printed extra copies. A. Was she? B. She was. C. She did.
Question number 41.
Zola admitted the mistake in the report. A. Making B to make C made.
Question number 42.
It's essential that everyone present during the briefing. A is B, C was.
Question number 43.
Neither the book nor the notes found on the desk. A was B were C are.
Question number 44.
If only I more time to prepare for the interview. A have B had C has.
Question number 45.
Mateo congratulated Sophia her promotion. A on B for C about.
Question number 46.
Rarely we see such unity in a global team. A do B does C did.
Question number 47.
The teacher reminded the students their homework. A submit, B to submit, C submitting.
Question number 48.
Emily would rather home than go out tonight. A stay, B stayed, C staying.
Question number 49.
No sooner the phone rang than David answered it. A had B did C has.
Question number 50.
If the weather better, we could go hiking this weekend. A is B where CE was.